Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, we're going to be talking about Forever Blacktop. This is a convertible black, like a soft top kind of conditioner. It's meant to help restore the actual black color of your original convertible. In time, they do fade eventually, and so it's great to go ahead and try and refresh that black. You know, you can actually just buy a whole new soft top for a convertible, but that does cost hundreds of dollars compared to, you know, maybe even like $1,000 compared to just buying this to get like a little band-aid treatment on it, if you will. But anyway, this is how it comes from Amazon, and I will have a link for this right below, so be sure to click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? So you can see it comes sealed in this little bag. We'll go ahead and open this up here, give this a little checky check, and we'll see if this actually helps or not, okay? I think, you know, as someone with a convertible, I think my biggest fear is the fact that I don't want to wreck my top, my soft top, with some weird jinky product, you know. This did come recommended, but I don't know. This is not a paid sponsorship, by the way, so I'm, of course, as always, be brutally honest with you about this, so don't worry about that part of it. But this is how it comes, and you can see on the front here, it says Signature Series, Professional Grade Finishes. Interesting. Black top with applicator. The applicator is good, actually, to have that, and it is black pigment on the side here. It talks about for use with the convertible tops, vinyl tops, soft tops, bimini pop tops, I don't know. Benefits: black pigment color. It's water-based, silicone and oil-free, environmentally safe, won't affect dust. That's interesting. Dries in minutes. Quick dry is good. Protects against UV damage and water resistant. Now, that UV damage is something that's usually what causes a soft top black convertible to start looking less black and maybe a little more like kind of like dark blue maybe, or kind of a muted black kind of thing. But you really want to try and have that nice black color, you know. On the back here, just talk about it, and this is a pretty good example. You can see that in time, like a black convertible top kind of fades a little bit, and it's still black, but it's not quite as black, maybe a little more gray than the actual like black when you first bought it, you know. And that's what this is supposed to help, you know. Easy as 1, 2, 3, we'll find out. Dispense small amount onto the applicator evenly. Okay, apply evenly and consistently through the entire surface, and then allow 15 minutes to dry. Lasts up to 12 months. Okay, so that seems pretty good, you know. Another thing I worry about with this type of product is I don't want to have like some kind of weird like Rudolph Giuliani like black dye running down my car. You know, I don't want rain to hit it and all of a sudden it to like kind of like mess up the paint. You know, that's worse than having a faded top, you know. So, and my top isn't terrible. My top isn't there, but it's starting to get a little less black than it was when I first bought it. You know, Florida sun, that kind of thing. So, I probably, if worst case scenario, I'll probably replace the whole top as time goes on if I need to. Right now, I definitely don't need to, but it's the type of thing I'm considering, you know. The Forever philosophy. Since 1984, Forever car care products have worked hard to be the highest quality products and possible to maintain the beauty and life of your vehicle forever, okay? So anyway, this all sounds good. Let's open it up here and see what we have in the box. We'll pop this open here, and it looks like pretty simple. We have a package of the stuff, okay? So this is the Forever Black. Kind of looks like paint or something. That scares me a little. And then in here, there's also a sponge. And it's interesting, the sponge has two sides. It has a hard grippy side to hold on to, and then it has a spongy part for the actual solution, okay? The picture just showed blue and black. Looks like mine is black on black, but that's okay. It looks like this is pretty easy to hold on to, and then from there you just take some of the solution and shake up real good, put some dots on here, and then just apply to your dry top, you know, and then allow it to dry. Okay, so pretty simple stuff. Let's go ahead and give this a quick try. Okay, so here we are at nighttime. I'm doing it at night because it's cool outside, so you can kind of see how the roof looks here. It actually looks probably grayer than it really is. It really is pretty black, but I'm going to go ahead and test this product, and we'll see how this looks with the light. Okay, I don't know if showing this at nighttime is really doing it justice or not, but this is it kind of applied through half of it. You kind of see where it's like darker and then lighter on the right-hand side. So you kind of see there, but it looks pretty good to me, actually. And I think this will look even better once it completely dries. Okay, so here's a quick after shot. Again, I don't know if this is really doing it justice or not, but there is what looks like at night. It looks good, you know. I may go ahead and let it dry. I may do another coat later or do a follow-up video, but I just wanted to show you it did go on, and it looks pretty decent. You know, a little hard to see on the black on black, you know, but it looks good. Okay, to recap, this is Forever Blacktop, a car soft top black application to help restore the finish of your black soft top convertible. And I'd say for the money, it's pretty darn good. You know, it's not bad. It will help make it look a little more black. Again, on the back here, it kind of shows this is how we've seen convertibles with this, where the sun is kind of faded the black top, and it does make it indeed look blacker. So if I have any follow-up to this, I'll let you know. Like if all of a sudden it's like starts fading, you know, a week later or something, or starts dripping or causing problems, I'll let you know in the comments below. But or maybe I'll do a follow-up video. But so far, I'm pretty impressed. I think, you know, compared to spending, you know, hundreds of dollars or potentially like $1,000 for maintenance and product, you know, pay a completely brand new soft top on your convertible, this seems like a better way to go as far as, you know, just temporary, I don't know if I want to say band-aiding, but it's a temporary way of restoring the beauty of your soft top, restoring the black color, your original black, to your soft top convertible without having to replace the whole thing. Like there's no need to throw out the baby with the bathwater, if you will. You know, there's a situation where sometimes it just needs a little touch up. I mean, you wash your car, you wax your car, and if you have a soft top, you can't just ignore it forever, you know. And if you have any particular tips for soft top convertibles, let me know in the comments below or email TUXXtoys@gmail.com. But I want to thank you for making it to the end of the video. I will again have a link for this product right below, and we'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye. Click the link.